I thought I was gonna lose my lure for a second. I didn't even know that was on the GoPro. I don't know. I was looking this way. I didn't even think about that. What is this? This looks like a big old bass is dead. Huh? This looks like a big bass that died.
Oh my god, that's a good bass too. Take it out, measure it.
Think because of the cold or?
See, take it out so I can measure it.
Take it out with what way?
Snag it with your worm.
I don't want. You're gonna unsnag it? Oh, it ate another bass.
Shut the fuck.
There's a bass in its mouth.
Put it where this is.
Dude, that's a nice one. Jesus. What did he eat?
A bluegill, I guess.
Here, let's pull it out with oh, my fucking pliers are over there.
Holy fuck. Did he really try to eat that? Oh, that's just stink. Stinky.
It does smell. Look at this. This guy died trying to eat another one. Let's pull it out, see how big that is.
What the fuck was this guy thinking, bro?
Dude, that's the size of like our baits.
That's why I told you I want a tilapia one. But you're like, well, there's no tilapia. But is it the size of the bait? Is it? It's about the same size. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You hooked it. Oh, there it is. Broken skunk. What'd you catch him on? You better kiss that mofo.
It's not that big, right?
No, he's not that big, but shit, he's finally got something.
Make sure I'm on the board just like that.
He's like 13 and a half.
Dang it. I got the O-ring, but oh, what the fuck? Oh, there goes the O-ring too. I got the little. Oh, you can go.
Damn, you're gonna curse yourself already by not throwing them back yourself. Give me good luck, fish. I'm letting you go.
Camera on?
No, never.